Division of polynomials with the same variables. In dividing polynomials with the same variables, we divide the numerical coefficients, copy the variable, and subtract the exponents. Example of dividing polynomials with the same variables. Given 4x raised to 4 divided by 2x raised to 2. First, divide the numerical coefficients. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next, copy the variable x. Then subtract the exponents. 4 minus 2 is 2. Our final answer, 2x raised to 2. Another example. Given 12x raised to 7 divided by 3x raised to 2. First, divide the numerical coefficients. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Next, copy the variable x and subtract the exponents. 7 minus 2 is 5. Our final answer, 4x raised to 5. Now, let's proceed to division of polynomials with different variables. In dividing polynomials with different variables, we divide the numerical coefficients and copy the variables together with their exponents to their respective places. Example of dividing polynomials with different variables. Given 4x raised to 4 divided by 2y raised to 2. First, divide the numerical coefficients. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then, since there is no common variables, all we have to do is copy all the variables together with their exponents to their respective places. X raised to 4 on the numerator, and y raised to 2 on the denominator. Our final answer, 2x raised to 4 over y raised to 2. Another example. Given 21y raised to 5 divided by 7a raised to 5. First step, divide the numerical coefficients. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Next, since there is no common variables, we just need to copy the variables together with their exponents to their respective places. Y raised to 5 on the numerator, and a raised to 5 on the denominator. Our final answer, 3y raised to 5 over a raised to 5. Now, let's try to divide polynomials with the same and different variables at the same time. Given 20y raised to 5, a raised to 6, divided by 4a raised to 5, x. First, divide the numerical coefficients. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next, if there are more than one variables, follow the alphabetical order, starting with variable a. And since there is a common variable a, we can follow the steps in dividing polynomials with the same variables. Copy the variable a and subtract the exponents, and we will get a raised to 1. Take note, we don't need to write the exponent 1. It is understood that if there is no exponent, the exponent is 1. Next, since there is no more common variables, let's just copy all the remaining variables together with their exponents to their respective places. Y raised to 5 on the numerator, and x on the denominator. Our final answer, 5ay raised to 5 over x. Another example. Given 18b raised to 5, z raised to 6, divided by 6y raised to 5, z. First, divide the numerical coefficients. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then let's just copy the b raised to 5 on the numerator, since we are following the alphabetical order and it doesn't have any common variable. Next, since we have a common variable z, we follow the steps in dividing polynomials with the same variables. Copy the variable z, and subtract the exponents. The exponent of the variable z on the denominator is 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Then, just copy y raised to 5 on the denominator, since it doesn't have any common variables. Our final answer: 3b raised to 5, z raised to 5, over y raised to 5.